Today, obviously, the makeup look is inspired by my hair, so we're going to pin some of it back and we're going to do some beautiful pink eyeshadow. So I am using the Essence eyeshadow primer. This is just going to help the eyeshadow really pop. You do not need much, and I'm going to put it underneath as well. I'm just using eyeshadow tape, so I have a really straight line. So first and foremost, I'm going to go in with my She Glam highlighter. And I like to highlight first. That way we can just build over top of it. So I'm literally just going to take my finger. And then right here as well. And I like to connect it. Just like that. We're taking our little whoa! Now we're taking our little mini Fenty eyeshadow palette. And we're going to go in with the Sleepover color. And I am going to put this all over my eyelid to make this more of like a transition color. Also put a little bit underneath. Now we're taking our You Can Be palette and we are literally going to dip into the Hot 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 pink. So I'm switching my brushes up and I'm dipping in with the hot pink. And I'm going to focus mainly on the eyelid at first and building up the color I really, really, really want. Lovely. Also going to put some right underneath. Perfect. We're going back to the Fenty palette and we're dipping into Sugar Shock. And I'm using a smaller blending brush and we are going to just outline our eye with this. Now I'm going to use some e.l.f. liquid eyeliner and we're just going to do a really nice eyeliner. Kind of like it just like that. I feel like it's going to be really sleek and like really cool. So let's remove the tape and kind of see what we're working with. Very nice, very crisp. I really like it. And what I'm going to do is we're going to take our finger and there. That fixed the eyeliner. Wipe away the fallout without lifting up my wig too much. But yeah, I really, really like the way that that turned out. And I'm going to do some finishing touches. And I will see you in a minute when my makeup is all done. And this is the final look. What do we think? I'm like kind of in love with it. Obviously, I'm very new to installing wigs, but I feel like I did decent. This is only my third lace front install, so give your girl some grace. But let's focus on the eyeshadow and the makeup that is eating up this world. So I feel so good with pink. I can't wait to show my husband this.